So it is 4th of July, and yeah, we're having a very relaxed day today. We're just hanging out at home.
I thought I was floating.
Savannah, what happened?
I thought I could float.
I think you lost something, dude.
I thought I could float. Now
Where is it? Where is it?
It's running away.
Oh, is that it? Is that it?
That's right there.
Anyways, it's 4th of July. We're not doing a whole lot today. Just relaxing, really. I was filming some long-form content yesterday, and it took a lot of my time, and I was trying to get the rough edit done today and last night till 4 a.m. So it's been a long day. What's up?
So the one above Burlington is open. There's certain areas that are closed and you can't get to the tippy top, but we're gonna park up here because it's open.
All right.
So meet us at this one.
So we've been trying to figure out where to go see fireworks tonight, and did get a call from our neighbors here who were heading on up to the place we went last year, and apparently they've gone and locked it all off. But yeah, it's really stupid when our local mall does this. They encourage it some years, and other years they decide that they're gonna freak out and block everything off, and it's really dumb. So let's see, what do you got? Got the chicken, got the rib. I can hear the Condor Squadron flying around. They do fly over every year. They flew over the other day when I was filming. I had to stop because they were so loud. I couldn't even hear myself on the microphone. I can hear them and I don't know where they are, so I'm gonna have to keep an eye out. Try and grab some pictures or video of them flying by. Okay. They are flying by. This is the actual flight radar app, so it shows you where things are. Usually, some aircraft are hiding, but you can see them right there, and you can see the path that they were flying. Well, if you remember from our vlog last year, the Condor Squadron flew by. The special messages.
California Condor Squadron requesting flyby. Copy. 1 year YouTube anniversary to the Lynchburgers.
Something more American than the Condor Squadron. I'm sure there's a lot more things that are more American than the California Condor Squadron, but it is neat to see those old World War II planes. If I really want to capture the Condor Squadron, I should probably launch the drone, huh? Just fly it up there next to him. Right, I'd get in a lot of trouble for doing that. There's certain rules and stuff. I smell something pretty good. I think some dinner might be ready. Oh, is it ready?
Pretty good.
Oh, why are you the only one out here eating?
Oh, they're plating up.
They're plating out. Your corn sitting in your applesauce? Oh no. All right, I heard that there's some food ready. What do we got? Ribs, chicken. Hey, I made the chicken, okay? I seasoned it. So we got some chicken, and we got some rib, some peas, mashed potatoes, applesauce. Fabio keeps mixing up all these sci-fi.
Yes, Jace Whalen. Jace Whalen does not die.
So annoying.
Fabio, why? What are you talking about?
Number 11.
What about number 11?
Her nickname is L.
Yeah.
And she killed the bad guy, but the Earth split in half.
The Illuminati?
Because he's not dead.
And the Illuminati's aren't dead?
I always think it's weird vlogging on a bigger camera, so I'm on the Panasonic Lumix S5, and I don't know, it's different. I mean, one, it's heavier, but you know, when you're holding it in your hand and out here, and it's not as stable, you know, no matter any of the you know, stabilization and stuff like that, it just doesn't really seem to stabilize the shot like, say, you know, my gimbal camera, my DJI Pocket 2, or you know, even the GoPros, like, they're super smooth. But you definitely get a lot more depth of field, which always looks nice to me.
Hey, how are you?
Alright.
It was a great dinner. Can't wait for the fireworks.
Twilight movies.
And we're talking about Twilight movies. And so...
What else is going on today, Fabio?
Where?
With you, what else are you doing?
Oh, I've been working on my TVs, and they're giving me trouble. But I got my surround sound system really dialed in. Yeah, I can shake the whole house if I about all those videos. Says what your eye can see of the galaxy is this much, but it's that wide. You can only see the very center of it. Yeah, but like when you see a movie, they all can land on planets. They have no problem landing on any planet.
Well, there's a lot of fireworks going off right now. I'm thinking about sending the drone up, maybe. See if I can see anything. In all honesty, I don't use the drone as much as I should, so. I tell ya, I really do need to start doing more of this drone stuff. This past year, I did go and get a FAA Part 107 commercial drone certificate. So I am technically a licensed drone pilot now, and I can do it for this and any other commercial stuff. So that was interesting, but I can't really see any fireworks out there. There's not really much out right now, and plus you just can't see it. It's not nighttime, so maybe as it gets later, I'll launch the drone again. But let's see here. Okay, there we go. Perfect. So today is 4th of July, and it's not only America's birthday, Independence Day, but it's also our anniversary from the day that we started this YouTube family vlog. And today marks 2 years that we've been vlogging. And no, I'm gonna say, I'm not gonna do anything crazy this year. Last year we did that crazy stuff where we set off the fireworks and blew up the kids and all. To celebrate 1 year of vlogging on this channel, I thought we'd do something really special. Are you ready, girls?
Yep.
All right, hit it. Learned so much about vlogging on YouTube, and now, you know, this isn't Casey Neistat, right? So I'm not sitting here vlogging every day for 5 years, but I am using it as a way to create adventure and do fun things with my 2 daughters. It's been a fun ride, and we're gonna continue on to year 3 now. Okay, so let me give you a few really quick tips on things you can do that I had to learn and I'm still learning today. So 1, story first, okay? That's the one important thing that will always win over everything. Good storytelling will always win. Best advice for that is to do it in 3 parts. So if you know anything about like Shakespeare or playwriting or any of that, you have a 3-act play. So you do it like that. You've got your introduction, you've got your middle body where everything happens, and then you've got your 3rd part. That's your conclusion. That's where you wrap it up and things end. If you have a good story and it's driving your content, then it's going to suck people in and they're going to keep watching it. And, you know, you'll get there as you get there. You'll have better quality. You'll get better cameras as you start doing it more. You'll learn to edit better. But you won't do it overnight, and you won't do it from not starting. One of the big rules, this is another quick tip, show, not tell. And this has taken me 2 years now to really start to use, okay? It's hard. It's really hard to show things and not just tell about them. When you have a camera in your hand, you're like, what do I do with this camera? Do I sit here and just talk to it? I guess I'm really good at talking to myself because I can sit there for like an hour and talk to the camera straight. And you want to show people what's going on, whether that's as it's happening or you're using what's called B-roll, like your secondary footage to overlay over what you're saying. Showing the story progress is a lot more powerful than talking about it. So a final tip, don't think that you suck enough to not even try. You have to do the work to gain the knowledge to know how to do it better. So don't go and give up. Because if you give up, you're never going to succeed in it. Keep pushing, keep trying, and don't be afraid to experiment and see what works. That's probably what I do half the time. Some of my best content was stuff that was not my normal stuff, and I just kind of threw it together and was like, okay, well, let's make something out of this. If you don't ever try, you'll never learn, you'll never succeed at it. You got to put in the work, and that's probably the most important thing about it. So I'm looking forward to year 3 here, and I think the kids are too. Hopefully we're gonna do a lot more fun adventures and stuff, which is really what I want to do. I want to start doing camping. I want to go out. I want to do this kayaking thing. I want to go to a lake. There's all kinds of stuff. I mean, hey, this year we took off pretty much on a whim and went to Disney World in Florida for like 10 days, okay? That is not something that I would have done a few years back. And it's one of the best experiences that we've had. I have zero regrets about doing that. So I'm looking forward to this next year. New goals. Get monetized, yes. I'm gonna get monetized. Number 2 is I am going to go and produce more higher end content, more reviews. We've started a review section, so it's called We Review It, and that is where we go and we sit there and we look at products that we find that we see that are interesting and stuff like that. And we're checking out this Intex River Run 1 inner tube system. Fast forward, it's pretty good. Let's put it together. So yeah, I got this. You know, it's a little bit different than what I would do on like my photo channel, which I haven't really put any work in this past year at all. So, but yeah, looking forward to year 3 here. Why don't we go check in with the girls and see what they have any thoughts of our upcoming year. Hey Madison, what do you think of our 3rd year of vlogging? We're going to the 3rd year here. Any thoughts? Excited for anything?
No.
Well, Madison's not very talkative right now, but she did just have her wisdom teeth taken out on Wednesday. So, you know, it's only been like 4 or 5 days. So she's not very happy right now in general. What do you think of our 3rd year of vlogging? Because we're going into the 3rd year.
I thought it was our 2nd.
No, we just passed the 2nd. So what do you think? Are you excited at all? Gosh, Savannah's very talkative right now. She definitely has some thoughts on this 3rd year of vlogging. Let's ask Fabio and Sharon. So what do you guys think of our 3rd year of vlogging?
The 3rd year is better than the 2nd year.
Yeah, you think three's the golden ticket?
And
Yeah.
Your logging counts are way up there.
Yeah, 3rd year.
The 3rd year is really kicking in, especially the video about the pump, the water pump.
Water pump?
Yeah, that's one of the best videos you've done so far.
I'm not sure what Fabio is talking about, a water pump, but
You put the batteries in the pumps.
oh, that camping sink. Got it. He likes the camping sink.
Yeah.
Hello?
Hey, we're gonna head up right now.
Oh, okay. We'll head back to over there then.
Okay.
Okay.
Bye.
Alright, bye.
All right. Well, so far so good. We're gonna head on up there and see what it's like. Fabio, what are you doing? Okay. I think you're trying to watch the window with the GoPro. So since I was a kid, we've come up to the mall parking garage more times than any other place, I think. But apparently they don't want people in the Sears garage here. Like right here.
Maybe it's better to stay right here and go up there.
I don't know.
Hello.
Well, we made it up to the top here of the parking garage, and we are hanging out, waiting maybe another 5-10 minutes, and we're gonna shoot the ones off here in Burbank. So we'll see if they're impressive or not. I mean, they're usually nothing compared to like Disneyland, but you know, hey, the 4th of July. Have some fun. You can watch all the other fireworks going off back here. It's kind of crazy out in the valley. But Burbank's kind of boring. That's why it's called Burbank. Fabio's trying to take some pictures.
Is this ready?
Yeah. I don't know what the settings are on, but you've got the cameras all set up. Yeah. Madison's in pain.
I don't like fireworks.
Yeah.
So impressive.
So impressive, right? What do you think, Fabio?
Nice
Super
one.
impressive.
Kind of a bad view, but a couple of nice ones, but
Yeah. I should have launched the drone. Well, that was it. The fireworks show is over with, and
Happy
Yeah.
4th of July.
yeah. I know.
Maybe it looked like that for Burbank from a different perspective.
Now we gotta pack things up and head on back. But yeah, it's been a short night, not our usual. There we go. And with that, we're gonna call it a night. So we'll see you guys on the next one.